SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard is the perfect introduction into CNC milling directly from your SOLIDWORKS model. SOLIDWORKS CAM is available to all subscription customers and can let you program prismatic parts with ease. In this video we're going to explore how I can make the bottom half of this Raspberry Pi enclosure using SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard. To start this process off, we will first open the SOLIDWORKS part. From there we can go and define a coordinate system to pick where the X, Y and Z direction are taken from in my part. This can easily be done by simply selecting one surface. Now that we have a coordinate system, we can then go and define the stock for this part. In the stock manager, it is simple as typing in additional dimensions to add the material to the bounding box and press select to generate the extra material. From here we can use extract machinable features to recognise all the areas of the part that require machining. As can be seen, once recognised, these can be seen in the SOLIDWORKS CAM feature tree, where they can be edited or be used to generate an operation plan. Moving on to generating an operation plan. This gives a list of all operations that will be used to make the component. The operation plans can be edited, or by clicking generate toolpath will show the toolpath that will currently be used. With the toolpaths created, we can go and simulate how they will behave in graphics. As you can see, roughing and finishing passes are then cut out of the material with them shown in different colours. We can see from the simulation the top of the model wasn't cut, so we can go into the options and add facing to be selected as an extracted machinable feature. We can then go through the process of extracting machinable features and generating operation plan without deleting what we had previously done. From here we can drag the new face mill up to the top of the operation so that is done first. Additionally, by clicking on the operation we can go and change key parameters such as the depth of cut. By confirming the changes we can see these update in real time on screen. A final simulation shows the facing operation is done first and then goes on to do the rest of the machining as we intended. Another key benefit of using SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard is the ability to go and modify the parts dimensions with the toolpaths automatically updating to suit. As we can see, we have changed the standoff diameter from 6 to 7 mm, and as soon as we come back into the cam tree it will ask to regenerate the toolpaths without any additional work for ourselves. It will go on to recalculate the toolpaths to suit this new geometry. Another great ease of use feature in SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard is the ability to rearrange your operations in the tool tree. This automatically switches tool, allowing you to machine the way you want easily. Once happy with all the toolpaths that have been made, we can then go and select Post Process. This will look at the Post Processor selected and generate the relevant code for you to use on your machine. A great addition to SOLIDWORKS CAM is a SOLIDWORKS CAM NC editor. This will allow you to look at the posted output generated from SOLIDWORKS CAM and check it to ensure your machine is going to cut the way that you intended it on SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard. As you can see, the SOLIDWORKS CAM NC editor can also preview a simulation of the toolpath that is going to be run on the machine. In addition to this, we can also create a setup sheet. This will not only allow ourselves to see what toolpaths are being run, but the tools being used, as well as the feeds and speeds, and the time taken for each operation. Finally, if this part is to be made on another machine tool, we can quickly go to Define Machine and to the Post Processor tab and select a different post processor to use. SOLIDWORKS CAM offers a varying selection of generic post processors, and in this case we will choose a hide name control. Now the machine has been changed, all we need to do is select Post Process again, and this will save the new output file. Again, like what was done previously, this can be checked with SOLIDWORKS CAM NC editor to ensure that the posted output is what we want to machine. As we saw, this can be simulated to check the code is cutting what is intended. Thanks for watching this video. And for more information on SOLIDWORKS CAM, please visit our website at solidsolutions.co.uk.